Lokal.
Pinadayawan ni Governor Cecilia Araneta Marcos kay Provincial Health Office nga nadaulwan ni Dr. Rickson Balalio dagiti healthcare workers kay dagiti MHOs pakairamanan dagiti district hospital iti naangay a Provincial Health Summit iti Centennial Arena. Kuna ni Dr. Balalio aday toy ket ti kauna-ana summit babaen kay dagiti MHOs ket representar ti kalikaguman dangobraen para iti universal healthcare iti Pagilian.
Provincial Health Summit. Actually, this should be done last November and December 2025. But then due to our very hectic schedule, we rescheduled it this January. The only available time is this last week of January 2026. So, it's a summit, a gathering of the health stakeholders of the province of Ilocos Norte. It's a Universal Healthcare General Assembly. Parang yung part 1 kanina, yung nagbigay ako ng health situationer, and then we'll wait, may binigay kami sa kanila so that they can send yung kanilang mga questions, recommendations para maipa-improve pa natin yung health system ng Ilocos Norte.
Kabayatan na napalaos ti panagyaman ni Governor Cecilia Marcos kadagiti amin ay healthcare workers gaputa isuda iti magkitkita iti salunoan iti kada Ilocano iti probinsya nga Ilocos Norte.
An honor to be here for the Senate and the awards to recognize the honor the outstanding contributions, dedication, and achievement of the men and women who tirelessly work to protect and promote the health of our Kabayanians. Truly, health work is not easy. Most of the time, it means long hours, tough decisions, and putting others first. Pero dahil sa inyo, mas maraming Ilocano ang natutulungan, and more families feel safe, and more communities grow stronger.
May naigidi daytoy ket nagbali na presente dagiti sa magmamano a mayor ket isuda iti nangawat kadagiti awards da nga empay ti Provincial Health Office. Para iti IFM News, Idol Lawrence Martinez, Tatak, IFM.